In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in the Godaddy website builder. Whether you're looking to enhance your site with new content or simply want to make some adjustments, adding a text box is a straightforward process and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Godaddy main page where you have access to all your domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. It's the one-stop destination for everything related to managing your website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Godaddy account credentials if you haven't already. After logging in, go ahead and click on the products section. This is where you'll find all the products you have with Godaddy, including your website builder. Now you'll want to locate the particular website you're working with. You should see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you wish to add a new text box. Clicking it will take you to the dashboard of that particular site. Next, head over to the Edit Website option. Clicking this will open the website builder interface, allowing you to start making changes and customizing your site to better suit your needs. This is where the fun begins. Once you're in the editor, your next move is to click on Add Section. This button allows you to add different types of content blocks to your website. It's like building layers on your web page where you can place various elements like text, images, or even videos. In our case, we want to add text, so we'll choose accordingly. After clicking on Add Section, you'll see several categories you can choose from. To proceed, click on General. This category typically contains various customizable blocks that form the foundation of your web page layout. Now the next step is to focus on the content selection. By clicking on this, you will access different options for adding and customizing text-based content. This will allow you to insert a text box where you desire on the page. Adding a new text box allows flexibility, type in new text, adjust the font and size, or format the content as you see fit. Remember, the look and feel of your website are highly customizable, so take your time to experiment with styles and layouts that best fit your brand or message. And there you have it. We've successfully added a text box to a website using Godaddy Website Builder. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process clear and easy to follow. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy web designing.